Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Page. Today, let us look at Understanding FOMO and Islamic Ethics in the Context of Cryptocurrency Part 2. Let me share a personal story. A few years ago, I found myself swept up in the Bitcoin craze. I was constantly checking the prices, obsessing over market trends, and losing sleep over the fear of missing out on the next big surge. Then, during a Friday sermon, the Imam spoke about the concept of qadar and the importance of tawakkul, reliance on Allah. It was a wake-up call. I realized that while it's important to make smart decisions, it's equally important to remember that our sustenance is in Allah's hands. This belief helped me let go of the constant fear and anxiety, and approach my investments with a more balanced and calm mindset. Islamic scholar opinions. The world of cryptocurrency is relatively new, and Islamic scholars are still navigating its complexities. Some scholars caution against it due to the elements of uncertainty and speculation, while others argue that it can be permissible if certain conditions are met, such as the cryptocurrency having real-world utility and being widely accepted for transactions. For instance, Mufti Muhammad Abu Bakr, a prominent Islamic scholar and Shariah advisor, published a research paper in which he argued that Bitcoin could be halal, permissible, under certain conditions. However, he also emphasized the importance of caution and due diligence when investing in cryptocurrencies. Real-life experiences. To bring this discussion to life, let's consider the experiences of real Muslim cryptocurrency investors. Take Fatima, for example. She's a tech-savvy entrepreneur who was intrigued by the potential of cryptocurrencies. However, as a practicing Muslim, she was also concerned about ensuring her investments were in line with Islamic principles. Fatima decided to consult with a knowledgeable Islamic scholar who had familiarity with the crypto market. Based on the scholar's advice, she decided to invest a small portion of her savings in a cryptocurrency that was widely used and had clear utility. She also made a conscious decision not to let FOMO drive her investment decisions. Instead, she did her research, consulted experts, and made thoughtful decisions based on her understanding and risk tolerance. The intersection of FOMO and Islamic ethics. As we delve deeper into the intersection of FOMO and Islamic ethics, we find that the two are often at odds. FOMO, driven by fear and greed, can lead to hasty decisions and risky behavior. This is in stark contrast to the principles of Islamic finance, which emphasize moderation, prudence, and ethical decision-making. Consider the case of Ahmed, a young professional who started investing in cryptocurrencies after hearing about the massive profits his friends were making. Driven by FOMO, he invested a large portion of his savings in a highly volatile cryptocurrency without fully understanding the risks involved. Unfortunately, the value of the cryptocurrency plummeted, and Ahmed suffered significant losses. This story serves as a cautionary tale of how FOMO can lead to decisions that are not only financially risky, but also conflict with Islamic ethical principles. Case studies. To further illustrate the impact of FOMO in the crypto market, let's look at some case studies. The Bitcoin boom and bust. During the Bitcoin boom in late 2017, many investors, driven by FOMO, bought Bitcoin at extremely high prices, hoping to make quick profits. However, when the price of Bitcoin crashed in 2018, many of these investors suffered significant losses. This case highlights the risks of investing based on FOMO, and the importance of understanding the market before investing. The Dogecoin hype. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, saw a massive surge in price in early 2021, driven largely by social media hype. Many investors, fearing they would miss out on the next big thing, invested in Dogecoin without understanding its fundamentals. When the hype faded, the price of Dogecoin fell, and many investors were left with significant losses.